Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Hazmat Rod in Fish It. The Hazmat Rod is maybe a mid-range rod above the Astral Rod. It costs around 1.3 million. And you can get the Hazmat Rod from the traveling merchant on the Fisherman Island like this. Like this, and then just purchase it. But here's the catch, it doesn't appear all the time. So if you really want it, make sure to check the traveling merchant multiple times in your server. And if it's not there, you can also try switching servers to increase your chance to finding it. Just keep checking and you will get it eventually. Like this root pack with power weight up to 300,000 kilogram, and then it has like until 380% and has speed until 32%. And okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.